Welcome to Macau, and we're going to be walking in this little Taipa village area called Rua dos Mercadores. And I'm with my daughter. Yeah! Let's check it all out. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. That's that one.
That was so long. That was so hard to pronounce.
That is hard to pronounce. So we're going to show you that, then we're going to go down the alley and we're going to go right into this big crowd of people. So it should be kind of interesting. I will show you where we're at. So we're basically in, that's called Rua de Maio, this beautiful building right there.
Rua de Maio in Chinese is Zhonglou.
Zhonglou. And then the one that my daughter mentioned was this one right here, which has this beautiful shop and this nice spot in here called Largo. What does it say in Chinese?
I think this is Ba. I don't know. I don't know. They
kind of has a quite a name to say. Even in Portuguese, it's a hard name to say, I think.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down. Rua dos Mercadores, which is the street of the merchants. Actually, this is the back side of that restaurant over there, so you can actually sit on these chairs here. So this Rua dos Mercadores is the merchant street, so we're gonna go check it all out. How do you say it in Chinese?
I think the pronunciation of the second word is my.
Malo.
My means like buying, and then the second word is I forgot how do you pronounce it?
Yeah.
And then low is the like alley.
Okay, so that's part of that's the Chinese one for Rua dos Mercadores. So we're gonna walk down the street of the merchants, and just so you kind of know this, like it kind of goes down to that way, and then there's a main street called Mercador, and we're gonna go down this alleys, and there's kind of people everywhere in every direction. But we're gonna come this way, and then I'm gonna flip the camera around. Oh, and I'll give it like that.
Yeah.
So she's gonna flip it back. We're gonna go down this way. Oh, did you lose your water?
Absolutely not. Whoa.
So we're gonna go check everything out. Got some bamboo.
Haven't seen that in Macau.
Yeah. And actually we got residential houses in here. So we got a mix of like residential houses, and we got a mix of actually commercial buildings as well.
And the colors from like the Portuguese people from like a long time.
This is kind of interesting. This is, I think, a coffee shop, but it's called Naka Shop. And then they have like a giant rabbit up there. I think it's a rabbit. You can hear the rabbit now.
Well, yeah, I have a bracelet of it.
The bracelet of the rabbit?
Yep. In my bag.
Yeah, it's like a rabbit. I think that looks like it's been there longer than 2 months. It's the year the rabbit just started. But
yeah. Here's King's Lobster.
So yeah, King's Lobster will usually project a little thing down here, and I think it's too dark to see, but it's usually like right in this spot.
Yeah.
And then down there is Old Taipa Tavern, and then we got I think that's new Chi Chai Cafe that used to be called Tiger Bites. So now that's different.
When Rua dos Negociantes.
Yeah, I think the Negociantes, I think it's like street of the negotiation, like business minded. So let's take a look. So that down there is Old Taipa Tavern. There's like a bike shop, but actually our focus is going to be this other one over here. We're going to stay on our Mercadores Street. Yeah, you can hear some music down that way.
I thought I was wrong with that, but actually I'm right.
Oh, and check this out. See that blue building right there? They got a giant ladder up there. Amazing, right? And also the other thing that's kind of amazing too is check this out. These are little tables, you know, so you can set these up like that. But it's not really set up like that right now, but I think historically they had it set up so you could eat a meal or drink, you know, your wine or whatever you want as well. Want to set it up like that? So yeah, we're on really those Mercadores.
Actually, this road is actually the road de negociante.
I gotta put this back. Can you grab that? Put that back. There you go. So we're gonna keep on walking down.
Tips when you learn Portuguese. If you learn the like
This is actually a new building right here. This wasn't here before. So it's like a Japanese omakase, and then I think this is a Japanese character, right? This isn't a typical Chinese character, is it?
Yeah.
It's a Chinese character?
Yep, see.
Because I saw that character a lot in Japan, but I don't.
Yep.
But it looks like they have sushi, and yeah, it's kind of a Japanese.
This road is from
Travessa das Canastras. Canastras. There's somebody's actually private residential place.
Also tips when you learn Portuguese, when you don't really know how to pronounce the word, you should learn how to do like this. It's like kakapusesi.
It's a
a good one. You should learn that first.
A little bit of tips.
If you're struggling with Portuguese. Oh, hi, I don't know you.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
To the shop.
I don't know you. I'm sorry.
I know him.
What's your name?
Kaya.
Kyle. Nice to meet you, Kyle.
Thank you.
He's one of the barbers here. He cuts hair, and he's also a skater. So you can see him in the skating in the park. Did you know people skate in the park here in Macau?
I don't see.
You don't, but he does. So, and he cuts hair too at the Joker. So, so say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Good to see you again.
Very good to see you again. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. You too. Alright, so we're gonna continue down our street. That's a little restaurant there. So yeah, that place is a really good place to get your haircut. So I've got my haircut there many times. It's called Joker. Especially when Mauricio. But lately I've been getting my haircut in a lot of different places, but I should go get my haircut with him because he's a really good barber. This actually is kind of new looking too. There's a ton of new shops everywhere.
Oh, this is also new
Mama Cha. Yeah, I don't recognize this either. It looks like it's like a 3-4 story place. And some of these have rooftops like that one. That has a rooftop up there too. So we're still at Mercadores, right?
Yep.
Look at that big glass window. Actually, they started working on this one recently because we didn't really have any giant glass windows like this before in Taipa village. Yeah, not up until they built that about a year ago, 2 years, maybe a year and a half ago. So those Mercadores. So we are going to, I guess we're going to go down that way. So there's actually that way as well. That's Mercadores. So I think Mercadores is going to end. Messy Kitchen is. So we're going to walk. So now we're on Esperanza. And we got Barcelona right there in the corner. And then now we kind of go back down. So if we were, Joker Barber was directly down that way. And we're just going to go down directly this way.
That's really cool. And also
Yeah, this one's going to be crazy crowded. Rua de Cunha. I think the Lux looks like it's kind of new as well. They built this during the COVID as well. I remember them putting that little thing there. Bit of vista. We're gonna come into something really crowded right now.
Oh yeah, Rua de Cunha, always.
Would you say this is the most crowded street in the city, would you say? I think it might be, right? So yeah, I got all those people down that way.
This is Rua de Cunha.
Rua de Cunha, and we got tons of people all the way in that line that goes all the way up that way as well. Cunha guy? Cunha guy. So that's Cunha guy, and that was our street. So we did Mercadores, but it turned into Rua dos Clérigos. And but yeah, it's kind of this big crowded space. So we're gonna find a place for the camera, and then we're gonna come to an ending spot. So this look how crowded that is, eh?
Just in case there's people in the world that don't really know that Macau Macau opened the barrier for the Chinese the Chinese to come.
Yeah, all the tourism.
There's a lot of tourism.
COVID ended and lots of tourism everywhere. So we're gonna end it right there.
Yeah.
Mercadores. That was that street right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la